you ready for today?
What have we got? You went to Sannigan's. What did
I
he give you?
did, and I was so excited because he had venison.
Ooh, venison. What kind of venison? Which cut?
T-bone.
Excellent.
So I am ready for this. I'm hoping we can do it on the auto wheel grill.
We'll do it on the auto wilder. For like 10 seconds.
Yeah, because there's no real fat on it.
There's no fat on it. You can't overcook it.
Should we crack it open?
Crack it open. The venison got salt and pepper. Really simple preparation because we wanted to taste the meat.
Well, the meat was coming up to room temperature. We prepped some vegetables. We started with the carrots. We peeled them and cut them in half. Then we topped and tailed the beans. Put them all in a bowl, olive oil, salt, pepper, gave them a toss.
Toss that in the auto wilder griller, like 35 or 40 seconds on each side.
Yeah, it was about 30 seconds on each side, not long.
And then we lowered it down and just let it cook for probably another 2 minutes. And that was it. Done to perfection.
Hey, so guess what I figured out while we were working? Another useful thing of the auto wilder. Beautiful design.
Ooh, a bottle opener.
Bottle opener, and of course we have a lovely People's Pint. What is in it?
That's mango fat. It's a milkshake IPA with mango in it.
Well, it smells fabulous. I can smell the mango. Here's my concern. I don't know that it goes with venison.
It might not go with
We
venison.
might have to have it either before or after we actually eat.
I don't really know. I don't remember what goes. Well, I do. When we lived in Thunder Bay and you'd have moose, you'd be drinking Northern Ale.
I like venison though. Mmm.
That's a good piece of meat.
Well done. It's not super dry, which can happen with venison because there's not a lot of fat on that.
No, it is really juicy.
Okay.
And I think that searing the high heat right at the very beginning and not cooking it too long really works out.
Salty, crispy sticks of green vegetable.
We did a double baked stuffed potato. Recipe is elsewhere on the website. this beer, I think this beer actually does go with the venison.
Really? I don't.
Yeah.
I haven't. I'm not convinced yet. Let me see.
No? It is a great beer.
Okay, I'm willing to try, but I question. I'm totally surprised. It wasn't. I was ready for that awful. Oh my goodness, these don't go together. But it actually isn't. You know, it isn't repulsive. I'm surprised. Like, you know what I mean?
You heard it from Julie. It isn't repulsive.
But sometimes flavors don't go together, and I
Okay.
would never say mango, venison. Definitely a must. But you know,
Together. Okay.
together. In that case, let's have
To the
supper.
table.
I'll get the beer.